Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Let's now look at the key obstacles in sustaining performance of average handle time in call centers. Let's explore one of the most critical obstacles in sustaining average handle time performance, balancing speed with quality. On the surface, reducing AHT might seem like the ultimate win. But when agents focus too heavily on cutting time, they often rush through conversations, skip empathetic listening, or worse, overlook compliance requirements. While this may temporarily lower AHT, it creates a dangerous ripple effect. Customers leave interactions feeling unheard or with unresolved issues, leading to repeat calls. First contact resolution drops, customer satisfaction declines, and what looked like efficiency quickly turns into higher rework and long-term operational costs. The real measure of success is sustainability. AHT must be managed in a way that keeps interactions efficient, but never compromises service quality, compliance, or customer trust. Striking this balance is what separates short-term improvements from long-term performance excellence. Another major obstacle in sustaining average handle time is the variability in customer issues. Not every interaction is created equal. Routine inquiries, like a password reset or balance check, may be resolved in just a few minutes. But complex cases, such as billing disputes, technical troubleshooting, or emotionally charged complaints, naturally require longer conversations. Seasonal demand adds another layer of complexity. Think about billing cycles, holiday shopping peaks, or unexpected service outages. During these times, agents face heavier call volumes and more complicated issues, which extend both talk time and hold time. This variability makes it nearly impossible to keep AHT steady across all periods. That's why successful centers don't just chase one number, they account for issue complexity, seasonality, and customer context to create realistic, flexible AHT targets. Another critical challenge in sustaining average handle time is agent attrition and the resulting skill gaps. High turnover is a reality in most contact centers, and with it comes a steady inflow of new agents. These new hires naturally take longer to resolve customer issues due to limited product knowledge, unfamiliarity with systems, and lack of experience. At the same time, experienced agents, those who consistently maintain lower AHT without compromising quality, often move on to other opportunities. This loss of expertise creates inconsistency in performance across the team. To keep AHT at sustainable levels, organizations must invest in continuous training, structured coaching, and strong knowledge transfer programs. Without these measures, the cycle of attrition and skill gaps keeps driving handle times upward, making it harder to deliver consistent service and meet operational targets. Let's now look at one of the most common but often underestimated obstacles in sustaining AHT performance: system and technology limitations. When agents are forced to work with slow CRMS, multiple system logins, or poorly integrated platforms, every interaction takes longer. Even simple customer queries can get stretched out, not because of agent skill, but because of inefficient tools. And the risk doesn't stop there. Technical breakdowns, like system slowness or complete outages, can instantly push AHT up, regardless of how well processes are designed. In this way, even streamlined workflows lose effectiveness without the right technology backbone. The takeaway is clear: without robust, reliable, and well-integrated technology, sustaining consistent AHT performance becomes nearly impossible. Technology is not just an enabler, it's a stabilizer for efficiency. Another major challenge in sustaining AHT performance is process drift and complexity. As businesses grow, they introduce new products, services, or compliance requirements. Each of these adds extra layers to the call flow. Agents are required to perform more verification steps, deliver longer disclaimers, or complete additional documentation. What starts as a streamlined process gradually turns into a complex journey, slowing down resolution times and pushing AHT higher. To sustain performance, organizations must continuously re-engineer and simplify their processes, removing redundancies, automating repetitive steps, and keeping workflows customer-friendly. Without this constant refinement, AHT will inevitably drift upward, no matter how skilled your agents are. Inconsistent coaching and monitoring is another critical obstacle in sustaining AHT performance. At first, targeted coaching sessions may successfully reduce handle time, but without continuous reinforcement, agents often slip back into old habits. This inconsistency creates a performance drift. On top of that, when supervisors change their priorities too frequently, focusing on Saturday one month and AHT the next, agents become confused about what really matters. This lack of clarity prevents consistent performance and undermines AHT stability. Sustaining AHT requires structured, ongoing coaching and a balanced approach to monitoring, where efficiency, quality, and customer experience are aligned, not competing. Only then can agents maintain consistent habits and deliver predictable results. Workforce management challenges are a major driver of AHT instability. When staffing levels are too low, agents are forced to rush through interactions just to keep up with demand. This may reduce handle time superficially, but it almost always damages quality and increases repeat contacts. On the other hand, overstaffing creates inefficiency. With too many idle agents, AHT can actually stretch longer per call, as the sense of urgency diminishes. Add to that the reality of shrinkage, absenteeism, breaks, and training hours, and even the most accurate forecasts can fall short. Poor alignment between staffing models and real-world conditions destabilizes AHT trends, making it harder to balance efficiency, service levels, and customer experience. Sustaining performance requires constant monitoring, adaptive scheduling, and proactive shrinkage control. Another key obstacle in sustaining AHT performance is misaligned incentives. When agents are rewarded solely for speed, the focus shifts to cutting calls short. While this may lower AHT on paper, it often damages quality, reduces first contact resolution, and leaves customers dissatisfied. On the other hand, if incentives are tied only to customer satisfaction, agents may spend too much time on calls. This drives AHT upward and increases costs. The solution lies in balance, using a scorecard approach that aligns AHT with FCR and CSAT. By rewarding efficiency and quality together, leaders can create sustainable performance without sacrificing customer trust or operational control. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.